Opposing Viewpoints is a database that focuses on information about contentious social issues. To get to the database, start on the library's homepage and click Complete A to Z list of databases linked on the left side of the page. Then search for the database or navigate to it using the alphabetical list at the top. This database might also be linked on a subject or course guide from the library as well. Click on the title of the database to access it. If you are off campus, you will need to log in with your unique name and password. On the database's homepage, there are a couple of ways to search. The search box at the top of the screen is where I can type in my search terms if I think I know what topic I want to use, and in this case I'm going to be looking for information about food banks. And after I click the search button, I will be taken to a results screen. Now, the Opposing Viewpoints results screen is organized by type of source, so academic journal, news sources, magazines, which is a little bit different than some of the other databases you may have seen through the library. I can either scroll through my list of results again, organized by the content type, or if I wanted to jump to a particular one like academic journals, I could do that and see all of the results coming from that particular publication type. To read an article that I'm interested in, I can click on the title and then read through the article on this page. But I can also use the tools in the upper right corner to print or download it. I can send it to either my Google Drive, my OneDrive, or even my email. And then finally, Opposing Viewpoints does have some citation help, but always check any of these citations made by the databases against a publication manual just to be sure that they are correct. Back on my results page, I'm not seeing a lot of sources outside of the news sources. So I'm going to go and change my search terms here. And I've heard the term food insecurity before, and I'm seeing that Opposing Viewpoints is suggesting it. And I think it's related to my topic. So I'm going to click it. And then I'm taken to a new results page that looks a little bit different than the food bank's results page did. What's happening here is that Opposing Viewpoints is actually curated this topic a little bit. It does this with a variety of topics across the social issue spectrum, but it's basically designated it as an issue of interest and created a page that I can get some great background information through the overview. And if I scroll down a little bit more, I will see, again, my results are grouped by content type. So academic journals, magazines, videos, audio, even news sites over here. One of the types of publication content types that I did not touch on earlier were the viewpoints. These are mostly essays written specifically for the database and give different opinions about a topic, though there might be some opinions from a newspaper or a magazine editorial in there as well. If you want to browse a list of issues because you're not quite sure what your topic should be, on Opposing Viewpoints homepage, you will see some highlighted on a rotating basis. You'll also see some listed down below that are updated more recently or things that are kind of in the news, or you can browse a list of almost 500 different issues, and all of these pages will look very similar to that food insecurity page. If you have any questions about this database, please ask a librarian, and thank you for watching.